Hi, I'm Dr. Ross Perry, and I'd like to recommend Brian, Killeen and his wife Leonie to you for your network marketing and all projects like that. I have known Brian since we studied together with David Kavanagh over in Pattaya, Thailand about 5 years ago, and I've watched him progress, and I've watched his dedication to learning and ensuring that his customers get the very best service they can possibly do from him and Leonie. So, without hesitation, I recommend them to you for your internet marketing business help. Thank you and blessings.